Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install StarSavior game on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So open Steam, go to the store page, and here in the search the store, search for StarSavior, and then click on this StarSavior free option. Now scroll down. Now here you will see play StarSavior free to play. So click on play game, and then you will see the install button, and the size for this game is 526.3 MB. So click on install button and then click on accept. Now go to the library tab, and then from the list select StarSavior, and here you can see the game is getting installed on my PC. And when it gets installed on the Steam, click on play button to launch it. This will launch the StarSavior launcher, and then you will see, do you want to download 13.47 GB of additional files? Then click on OK. And then you can see StarSavior game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download and install StarSavior game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.